Namaste, Modi ji. Finally, I'm making a YouTube video uh, just for you. And in this occasion, I wanted to congratulate you as Prime Minister of India and the steps you have taken in our border against China. And I also thank our soldiers, our other officials, our Home Minister and Defense Minister. And once again, I thank you, Mr. Modi ji. And this is the video I want to talk to you. And if you happen to see this, please spend 7-8 minutes. And first of all, I want to talk like India and Pakistan. And Pakistan, as you think, or a lot of people, even Indians, we think Pakistan is our enemy. But we all lived together as a brother and sister, and they are our boy Saab. And he is your Chota Bhai, Imran Khan. Ask him, just give him a call, talk to him, so we can stop China in interfering India-Pakistan relationship. It's not going to affect us. Only 3-letter word, ego, is the problem between us, between Indians and Pakistans. And also our school system, if you see our school systems, we have been taught like Jinnah is a bad person, Pakistan is our enemy, which is not good. We should not develop that hatred attitude in our children. And so please look at this issue. And secondly, I know you are doing so good, very courageous person, and you have come a long way to this position. And we believe you, and you are not just one person like what others say. You are not just Mr. Modi. You are in a conscience of 1.4 billion people in this country. So always think about the people and do as far as you can in a good thing. Mainly I want to talk about like this politics and the government. Both are different. Through politics, you have become Prime Minister. That's fine. But government should not go under the politics. I request you to not be a politician when you are a Prime Minister in the office in New Delhi. Just think about the people and their welfare. Thirdly, any country, even though we say we are democratic, we are the biggest democracy in this world. Still, we see that capitalism is working under the blanket of democracy. That means I think you understand the rich people who control the government. Please reduce that one and think about the people and how you can work for the people. The government so far 70 years, they have put their interest first and the people interest at the least. You know what I'm meaning? The Congress government. They never thought about the people. They never did anything good. They never did against anything China when they occupied our territory. And now you are doing it. Well done. And this one, economy, I mean the rich people, please keep them in a distance. And the next thing is secularism. We are a secular country. And we have minority religions such as Christianity, Muslim, Jainism, Buddhism, and everyone. We are all brothers and sisters. People doesn't like, we don't fight each other. But when the politicians, they make us fight each other. The same thing is happening in Pakistan. I told you, Pakistan and India, we are brothers. Please talk to him, come to a good solution, stop the China. That's one part. Second, internal thing. Please stop. Like I know you are from BJP, but still We are a secular country. It is your responsibility to give the strength to minority religions. They should feel secure in the country. This country belongs to everyone. I mean, all Indians. So, latestly, I read a news like some people have filed a case against this mosque which is situated near Krishna temple in Madura, which is ridiculous. We are not in the 15th century or 13th century where Muslims they demolished a lot of Hindu temples, I know, but we are in 2020. We should understand not creating problem. And also, as a prime minister, my humble request is stop these things. We don't want to fight. See, the temple we can build in a vacant space, not by demolishing a mosque. That is a stupid thing. Again, we are going to create a big trouble with Hinduism and Muslim. Everywhere, this is the problem. We are all same. What's the difference we are having? Nothing. Humans. So this is one of my requests. Please look at it. Mr. Modi ji, finally I want to tell about democracy, which is like any democratic, any strong democracy includes a very strong opposition party. Without opposition, there won't be any democracy. That becomes a dictatorship. But under your rule, there is, I don't see any strong opposition, and that doesn't mean you have to be like a dictator. I'm not telling you are a dictator, you are doing good. But that attitude among your politicians and among your government officials will come at any time, we don't know. So please stay calm and tell them not to behave like a dictator. We are serving the country. We are not the boss of the country. So this is my final request. Thank you.